Hello! Ako si Ebe Dancel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa CCP Complex. We are shooting the music video for my latest single, Manatili, under Widescope Entertainment.
Wow! Parang Garfield! Oh. May ilalamig pa ba dito? Ilalamig dito sa loob, pare. Yung dulo, palabas sa konti. Sa'yo ako frontal yung isa rito. Hindi ko mamayawan yung gitara ko. Kaya basta palabas na ng bahay. Parang agaan ang dala ko. Tapos may mga shot kami dito. Oh, it's not so bad, di ba? That's parang what? Ow! Ganun yan. Tingnan mo to! Tingnan mo to! Look at son of a gunshot. Look at that banana. Anong shade ng green niya?
Pwede rin ng olive.
Olive to? Yan, okay to, okay to.
Sa paano?
And the black shirt? Yeah, let's do it. And then,
Mas type ko to eh. Ganito. Magandang harap mo.
I think it's
Contrast na contrast.
Yan.
Pag-suit mo siya. It will stand.
And
And
then,
then with this stand, and then that here. And then okay sa'yo.
Yan!
Yan!
Guwapo!
sapatos! Wow! Woo!
So, palang gagamit niya. Develop din yun eh.
Pero may choreographer. Pagsasin.
Direct yung remote nito, ganyan din.
Yan o.
Manila paper
Ganyan,
din.
nakita mo ba yan? Bagong model yan.
Pero at least alam mo na kung ano yung makukuha mo, di ba?
Pala yung nakasulat.
Down to the brand. You guys are the experts.
Ganda ito, sorry.
So may test against ano?
Yeah.
Maganda nga yan actually.
Ganda ito.
Nakuha natin yung bias natin direct.
Hi, my name is Juno Obebanda. We're here at the CCP Complex and we're shooting Evidence's new music video for Manatili.
Yan.
Nice by medyas ko.
Leg isang, one leg down, one leg down.
One leg na.
One leg down, one leg
This one.
Masyado mataas.
Just go direct. Nice chair. Hydraulic ba? Hydraulic.
Kaya sabay siya lang naglalaglag.
Ilit na lang natin.
That's why the black light will give depth. And then see, blue. Oh, see?
Ganda oh!
The song is arranged by Gino Cruz, and it's produced by my manager Rico Blanco. The video is directed by my good friend Juno Oebanda. Such a nice name. What a name, that name. Sana'y manatili.
Okay, rehearse nga tayo. Silhouette lang muna kami sa nila.
Tama orientation mo.
Yan, ito. Center. Together with me here, my DOP Ronnie Barayang, my lighting director Adrian Gahudo, and my team Philip Masakel and Cha Cao, and my safety officer Jamie Wilson.
What's the first line? Boss?
Bukas ba?
Boss, bukas ba? Tapos pwede po ba sumira?
Pwede ba sumili?
Wala pang balabas, pandemic pa yun.
Pasok na. Siyempre yung lagi yan. Boss, bukas ba? Pwede po ba sumili?
Hindi ka na makas.
Boss? Bukas ba?
Wala, sarado pa. Dapat palabas, pandemic.
Pwede po sumili. Ay, sandali lang.
Sige, Pats. Sandali lang, ah.
Opo. Thank you.
Cut.
Okay.
Back up.
Teka lang. Text pa lang. Teka lang.
Saya.
Stop and knock out. Yun. Cut.
Ayos ba yun?
This is quite timely. We're shooting this under the pandemic, and this is my interpretation of an artist telling his audience to stay and wait for us to come back. So I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, Mama! Hi, Mama! Sa TV na ako, Mama! Sabihin ko na yung sura ko.
Tapos kaliwa ka na, please. Harap ka sa kaliwa.
Manatili